Ala ng confidential funds para kareng civilian agencies. Iniingi nanunsyo na ning House Committee on Appropriations Vice Chairperson ay Representative Stella Kimbo king mera pata press briefing anyang Martes, October 10. Kaya be kareng dinan confidential funds deng Office of the Vice President at Department of Education aparehas na pamuntok ng VP Sara Duterte Carpio, Department of Information and Communication Technology, Department of Foreign Affairs at ing Department of Agriculture apani muna na naman Presidente Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Agpangkang Kimbo, bibiyela kareng ahensya apo protekta king West Philippine Sea at kareng manibala king peace and order situation ken ni katamo bangsa. Samantala, nung deng lokal kapanibalan deng pisasabyan pangaras king confidential funds, sinabi ng Department of the Interior and Local Government o DILG Region 3 Director Anthony Nuida, amalyari nomang midinan deni para kareng karelang peace and order and public safety programs. Mayor Crisostomo Garbo na ning Mabalacat City a focal person for health ning League of Cities of the Philippines nakanulilingad na atin niyang gagamitang pondo ang timong intelligence funds. Dapat kailangan kanung mika clear-cut policy para dikil keng pamangamit kanini.
Automatic naman yung kasi G sa peace and order budget, pwede kang kumuha ng 30% out of that total. Oo. Ginagamit naman natin. Ako naman, open naman yan. Tinutulungan ko yung mga kapulisan. Tumutulong ako sa aviation. Tumutulong ako sa Philippine Army. Kasi dapat clear-cut policy. Kasi naman, ang katulad nga, the mere fact the ombudsman was already during the committee hearing, sinasabi niya, meron ba kayong nilabas na batas na ganito ang ilalabas mo? Pag nag-liquidate ka, ganito lang. Strictly lang Ano strict lang na sinasabi nun, you just have to liquidate it on a sealed envelope going to the auditor.
Aking kaya kayong talasuyo ay Paulo G. Santos, ating pusong makabalen.